Yo, what's good YouTube? This is Angry. Today we're going to create the 404 page. Just go into your editor and just add in a new template. Select page 404. I'm just going to give it a moment. Alright. And we can choose previous patterns that we made in the previous videos, but that's not necessary. I'm just showing you that for demonstration. Alright, we're just going to add in the header for now. And I'm just going to make sure that the code editor is just over here, so we can show you guys how the page is going to be made afterwards. All right, so we're just going to add in the header pattern, so in case we want to update this, it will be updated on all pages directly from the pattern. All right, afterwards I'm just going to create a new text, so I'm just going to add in a new block, browse all, and I'm going to select text. All right, so text, and then I'm just going to select one that I liked. It's going to be in yellow color, so kind of looks like an error. So I'm just going to grab this one that I like and put it inside the page. All right, and I'm just going to change the text over here a little bit. All right, that is going to be 404, and then not found. Actually, I'm going to change that a little bit. So I'm just going to remove the spark as well. I'm going to add in found under it, so not found, and I'm just going to center it all afterwards, and I'm just going to make the 404 to error, and 404 is going to be the light orange text, or the orange text that's below. Alright, so I'm trying to change this to error, and I'm going to change this to 404. It will look so much better, and also afterwards we'll add in the footer. So error, and I'm just gonna center everything right now, so that will look so much better when we center it. And then, like I said, we're gonna add in the footer afterwards. So here we're just going to select the footer pattern. All right. And we're just going to save this, and we're also going to save it using the create block theme to show you guys. All right, so create block theme and then save changes. All right, right now if we check the code editor, you're going to find out that the page has been rendered, or not rendered, the code has been like written to the page, the HTML page. So I'm just going to give it a moment, and I'm just going to check the code right now. So as you can see over here, the 404.html has been made. So that is pretty much it, you guys, for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next video, where we're basically going to make the single page.html. Inside that page, we're going to display each post that the user uses in his blog. All right, so I hope you guys like this video. Comment and like, subscribe, and tell me what you think about this video. How can I improve the video? And let me know also in the comments what you think. All right, so I'll see you guys, and peace, you guys.